Violence yan.
Alam mo, never ginagawa si Sam.
Sige po,
Ngayon lang.
Sam Milby po. Sam Milby. At saka si ano po, si Enchong Lee.
Si Enchong.
Opo.
Mamaya dito, si Enchong mamaya
Si
dito.
Ivan po. Celebrity
Crush,
Celebrity
Ivan.
crush mo.
Mag-celebrity ako na.
Celebrity
Na-
crush
sino
mo.
crush mo
Your
na
celebrity.
Sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Siguro si Yang. At si...
Talaga?
Gano'n?
Wala siya dito ngayon, no?
Mahilig siya sa VJ.
VJ?
Secret details ako.
And I'm sure people want to know, what is the unforgettable advice or sermon from Kuya?
Tinututunan nyo.
Ang pinaka-importante na
Value.
na
Pagtitiwala sa sarili.
Believe in yourself and dream big. That's pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
it's good.
So ito, more questions, guys. 2010, Boracay Fritzy to Brett. If Fritzy asked you to wait, will you wait for her? Are you willing? Willing mag-ano? Be specific, guys. Kung willing siya mag-ano. Or malalaman natin. Love you, Sam. You're the first PBB housemate.
Thank you.
I like.
I love you too.
Wow.
I like. Oh, that's so sweet. Please, Fred and Ivan, greet nyo yung mga
80,000 fans
Yo,
worldwide.
You rock,
You guys
guys.
rock.
Oh.
That's a lot.
Thank you so much.
Maraming
I'm
salamat
curious
po sa inyong
also.
lahat.
Sorry, go ahead. Sorry. Ito lang ako. Bro,
Fast
what's up?
forward.
No, go ahead, bro.
Salamat po. Talaga, I mean, it's been, a long time.
Salamat po sa mga sumusuporta. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Alam nyo guys, actually, I knew Ivan right before he entered PBB House.
Oh, really? In what way? Like, friends?
Kasi actually, parang nagsiscout din yung manager ko, si Erickson, at the time. And then, biglang pumasok, di ba? Pero sobrang bait si Ivan. And actually, I'm curious also, guys, kasi syempre, you guys are out of the house na. Is there anything like lined up? May mga shows or parang, I'm sure you guys have a lot of offers going on right now. What is your, parang
Future projects.
Future projects na in-offer ngayon? May, talaga kasama nyo, I mean, like,
Album,
show.
teleserye,
I'm sure si Brett will have an album very soon.
Yeah. So, ano yun, guys? Ano yung, may na-offer na ba sa inyo?
Wala pa po. Pero,
Hindi natin alam. We really don't know.
Ayan.
Oh, so
They don't really tell us much,
As
yeah.
of now,
parang free
wala
agent
pa.
kayo, pero...
Pero lahat kayo Star Magic na, di ba?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
Magic.
right.
Yeah.
Star Magic family.
Star Magic rocks. Happy birthday, Gurgel Madela. Happy birthday to...
Song number later, bro. Ha?
From Trisha, would you mind doing stage plays?
ako naman po, as long as work, kahit ano po, stage play man po or hindi, okay lang po sa akin.
Oh.
Anong mas gusto nyong gawin? Ay, ikaw, you'd rather do TV, syempre, no?
Opo.
Okay.
Ayun. Sam, when are you
Come
coming
back to Vancouver.
again?
It's been a while, actually. Na medyo nakakalungkot kasi itong Heartthrobs Tour this October to November. Itong last Heartthrobs Tour, yes, it's been 4 or 5 years na, the Heartthrobs Tour.
So this is the last.
This is the last, this October. And it's not going to be in Canada, US. It'll be in Europe.
Wow.
Yeah, so, masarap
Europa.
naman yung last
Who
tour
you gonna be
namin.
with,
But
bro?
maybe later this year. Heartthrobs Tours, Piolo, of course. Piolo, John Lloyd, Kim,
I'm from-
family that you go
Yeah.
back and forth.
No, I don't go back anymore. I've been here 7 years.
Ay, 7 years na.
Basically, you're
okay.
Filipino na. Like, okay, wala kayo walang taga-Iloilo dun sa sa PBB. Wala nag-represent
I'm ang Masaya.
Yung nanay ko, Bisaya. Pero wala akong alam sa Bisaya.
Salamat, Mariel.
Ako, Ilonggo. More questions? Questions? Guapo, Ivan.
Trisha, kapag nag-mature ka na, may plan ka ba sumali sa beauty contest like Binibining Pilipinas?
Kung kaya ko po, Siyempre, bata pa po ako, pero kung ano po, siguro po, sa future po, I'll consider it po.
Under?
Brett, when's your
Same.
birthday? Yeah, your birthday.
March 15, 1991.
Brett,
Matanda na ako.
ito guys, Brett, gusto
1991.
nila mag-speak ka
84
daw ng
ako.
Bisaya. Sample naman sa mga viewers natin, dito sa ASAP Chill Out. Bisaya ka naman.
King Bisaya.
Salamat sa tandaan nagsuporta sa
Ako.
Nako. And please keep supporting.
Hindi, English na yun.
Ay,
English
sorry.
na yun.
English.
Sorry.
English.
Bisaya nga. Bisaya, gani.
Morg, nalimo ko sa mga Bisaya kay narko dere sa Manila. Sige, pag Tagalog. So,
Galing.
sorry lang. Salamat sa tanan, ha? Salamat.
Wow.
Domo, arigato gozaimasu. Semasen. Japanese. Semasen. Minasan.
Anyway, ito pa. Ano pa ba? Go, Brett. From Joyce. Joyce Ann. Yon JV, Brett, Ivan, and Sam. Question, why are you so cute? May mga ganan. Tanong. Sam, ikaw, di ko
Why,
alam.
why?
Hindi ako cute eh.
Why are you guys cute?
Why are you guys cute? Wala, ma'am. Blessings?
Cute parang bagets yung cute. So dapat silang dalawa ang cute.
Okay, from Sam, Australia. Dami pa.
Will you start on mix, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Since he likes,
Brett.
like,
Negotiations will be this next week, so I'll probably be starting next week.
May
Wow,
kontrata
congrats.
siya. May kontrata.
Really?
Yes.
VJ.
VJ.
Like that's
That's
for
exciting.
Sure. Wow, I'm sure that
Be with your yung dalawang crushes mo.
Of course.
That's
Wow.
like
Pero ang alam ko, siyempre
Papa
si
P.
Iya, taken na.
si Miss Empress.
Taken na si Iya.
Guys, si Miss Empress na yun. She's passing
Hey,
by.
Empress.
Say hi.
Yes. Rosalka.
Ayan, so anong song natin today?
Go. Sample. Ano.
Okay,
Go.
ano,
Sing.
sabihin
Any
mo
song.
kung ano,
What song? Let's do it.
Ano song?
Do it.
Ito.
anong duet. Hindi, okay na.
Okay lang, natuyo na siya.
Ano,
Hindi na pa kami,
What's a good duet song?
guys, kung makasend kayo.
two is better than one.
I don't know the
is better than one.
Dapat yung mga yung mas luma na kanta parang
Wala to.
Here we are again. I guess it must be fate.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Yung After All, ang ganda yung duet ng grabe.
Ayun, so asan na
So plug your show. Go ahead.
Plug your
Ayan,
show.
Rosalco po, pagkatapos ng Wawawi sa afternoon.
Yes.
Hapon-tastic ang Rosalca. Sana huwag niyo kakalimutan.
Yes, and mamaya, nasa ASAP XP ka, di ba? Pag
Yes.